Today we are diving into the exciting world of Industrial Revolution 4.0. In this video, we will explore one of the key technologies driving this revolution, which is the Internet of Things, or we call it as IoT.
Assalamualaikum and hi. First of all, I will introduce about myself. My name is MUHAMAD NAJMI bin AZIZI. Today I will introduce about the IR 4.0 technologies that we choose from the internet. Okay, for our group, we choose of IoT as IR 4.0 technologies. The purpose on how it's helped to enhance the current manufacturing. The fourth industrial revolution, often referred to as Industry 4.0, encompasses of range of technologies, including the Internet of Things (IoT) that are transforming the manufacturing sector. IoT has the potential to enhance manufacturing in several ways. First is improve connectivity and data exchange. Second is enhanced automation and efficiency. Third is predictive maintenance. Fourth is supply chain optimization. And the last is quality control and product traceability. For the improved connectivity and data exchange, IoT enables the interconnection of various devices and machine within a manufacturing environment. This connectivity allows for seamless data exchange between different components of the production process, facilitating real-time monitoring, analysis, and decision-making. For enhanced automation and efficiency, IoT sensors embedded in machines and equipment can collect data on performance, energy consumptions, and maintenance needs. By analyzing this data, manufacturers can optimize production process, automate routine tasks, and proactively address equipment issues. This leads to increased operational efficiency, reduced downtime, and improved productivity. Third is predictive maintenance. IoT devices can monitor the condition of machinery in real times, collecting data on factors such as temperature, vibration, and performance metrics. By applying machine learning algorithm to this data, manufacturer can predict when equipment is likely to fail or require maintenance. This approach enables proactive maintenance, reducing unplanned downtime and extending the lifespan of assets. Supply chain optimization. IoT technology can provide real-time visibility into the entire supply chains, from raw material sourcing to distribution. By tracking and monitoring inventory levels, shipments, logistic operations, manufacturers can optimize inventory management, streamline production process, and enhance overall supply chain efficiency. Quality control and product traceability. IoT sensor can monitor production parameters and collect data at the various stages of manufacturing. This data can be analyzed to ensure product quality, identify defects or inconsistencies, and provide traceability throughout the production process. Manufacturers can quickly detect and address quality issues, reducing waste and improving customer satisfaction.
Now, let's move on to the cost involved in implementing IR 4.0 technologies like IoT. While upfront investment can be substantial, the long-term benefit outweigh the cost. Companies may need to invest in IoT device, infrastructure, and data analytics. However, the enhanced efficiency, reduce downtime, and improve decision-making capabilities can lead to significant cost saving in the long run. Besides cost, there are other requirements to consider when implementing IR 4.0. One crucial aspect is cybersecurity, which increase connectivity, come and increase risk of cyber threats. It is vital for manufacturers to invest in robust security measures to protect sensitive data and ensure the integrity of their operation. Furthermore, successful implementation require collaboration and upskilling of the workforce. Company must foster a culture of innovation and provide training to equip employees with the necessary digital skills. Embracing change and fostering a learning mindset are essential for adapting to the rapid advancement of IR 4.0.
As we wrap up, I will share our opinion on the net industry revolution. We believe that the upcoming industrial revolution will be categorized by even greater integration of technology and automation, with advancements such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced data analytics. The future of manufacturing will become increasingly intelligent and interconnected. However, it is important to note that the human element remains crucial. While technology enhances productivity and efficiency, human creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills will continue to be highly valued. The future will require a balance between automation and human collaboration.
In conclusion, Industrial Revolution 4.0, driven by the Internet of Things, hold immense potential for the manufacturing industry. Smart manufacturing and other IoT applications can enhance productivity, reduce costs, and enable data-driven decision-making. While challenges exist, the benefit of embracing Industrial Revolution 4.0 outweigh the costs, and by investing in cybersecurity and upskilling, we can unlock a prosperous future. Thank you for watching as we explore the fascinating world of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and the Internet of Things. We hope this video has provided valuable insight into the future of manufacturing. Let's embrace the opportunities that Industrial Revolution 4.0 and shape a brighter future together.